Hey, hello guys. Hope everyone is doing well. Welcome back to another video of Tech is Psych. So today, I'm back at YouTube since I was not active for many months due to some personal reasons. So please do provide your feedback and please do comment because your feedback is very valuable to us, and also ask us to bring any videos if you want. So let's get started into today's
देख रहे हैं टेक्निकल गुरुजी। चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
unboxing. So today we have got packaging from Amazon.in. So let's snap it and check it out what's inside it. So yeah, we have got the Urbn PowerBank, which is 20,000 mAh of capacity and has all the highlighting features mentioned in the start of the cover. It is made in India and it is 20,000 mAh basically. So you get a USB Type C input and a micro USB input and two micro USB output, and you also get 3 layers of circuit charge protection. So let's open the box today now. Now you get all the details and manufacturing details at the back of the pack. So when opening the box, we get uh, a white box, a box in a box, and then let's open this box, and there we go, our product is there. And I've ordered a black color power bank, which is a 20,000 mAh power bank, and it is from the brand Urbn, and it suggests that it is made in India. So here the highlighting features also mentioned at the back, and even the EMEI number. So this is the branding of the Urbn. You also get a user manual, which is often a waste of paper or which is of no use, and then you get a type A to type micro USB input, which supports 10-watt charging. And yeah, you also get a 1-year replacement warranty card, and check it out as well. So let's keep the boxes aside and look in at the product. So seeing at the power bank, it is a black matte in color. It is made of polycarbonate. Since its price is very cheap, I mean very affordable, which is I bought it at around 400 rupees. So you get, apart from the power bank, you get a micro USB A to micro USB port, which is of short length to provide less resistance, and you get two ports of USB A output of 12-watt and a USB Type C input and a micro USB input of 10-watt charging. So also you get nothing. Yeah. So now let's test this power bank by charging our phone. So let me forward this. So here I have connected my Type C cable into the power bank, which these four LED indicators indicate the battery percentage of the phone, sorry, of the power bank. So let's test the power bank with the phone. So yeah, we insert it and there you go, there's a charging symbol. So this power bank charges your phone at a power of 12 watt, so that's pretty fast, from 49 to 50%. So let's talk about its charging capacities. It charges at a 12-watt input, and then it takes about 6.5 hours to charge, which is comparatively less than other most of the power banks. And it also has four indicators. The first one is 0 to 25%, and second one is 25 to 50, third one is 50 to 75, and the last one is 75 to 100. And if you double press the power bank's button, it just switches off, or you leave it for 2 minutes, it switches off. By the way, the real output of the power bank is always less than its original output. The 20,000 mAh output is just a theoretical output, but practically it is two-thirds of the capacity. For example, if you take a 10,000 mAh power bank, you actually get a output of 6,500 to 7,000 mAh battery output. So you can charge two phones of 3,500 mAh power bank, sorry, phone. So yeah. If you want a detailed video, I can make it separately. Please do comment. So let's talk about the conclusion. I bought this power bank at a very good price of 650 rupees, which is actually worth it. Now the price has been hiked. So this power bank usually takes around 6.5 hours to charge fully. It may take more sometimes, and it charged my 3000 mAh, 4000 mAh phone two times completely and up till 60% the third time. So which I got a output of 14,000 mAh, which is common for most of the 20,000 mAh power banks, and it is a good speed which my charger also provides. So you can actually buy this, go ahead and buy this power bank now. You can wait till the price just drops down. So yeah, that's it for today guys. Hope you liked and enjoyed the video. Do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive all the notification when I upload a video, and do like it, and let's aim for 50 likes for this video, and do comment your opinions, your feedback and anything else you want to ask me. That's it for today. Always keep